Hi everyone, my name is Linda and these are my reflections for PIDP 3330 Facilitating Online Design. And this is my feed forward. So these are Linda's reflections or my quick tips for creating your online course. So first, I'd like to talk about design. When you design your course, you have to make sure that the goals, your activities, and your assessments are all aligned. And how you do that is when you do that, storyboarding is so essential. You have to take the time at the very beginning to outline your course in an organized way and fit them into what we call little modules. So plan, plan, plan. That is my takeaway for you for design. And storyboarding is how you do it. The second thing that I would like to talk about is implementation. This is when you put your head down and you focus on each of your modules one by one, and you focus on implementing your design ideas step by step, keeping the content engaging. Always asking yourself, is this what I want them to learn? What is it that I want them to learn? Is this engaging? The third thing, which I think is the most important, and the one that I got the most out of, is after I did my modules, I got someone to do their usability testing and I got them to evaluate the course. Getting someone to evaluate your course during and after the development process, I think is key. I learned so much from seeing my course through someone else's eyes. It was very humbling, but it was so useful because I think that using that feedback that I got from them will make my course even better the next time. So definitely do the usability testing to evaluate a course, and then get the feedback, improve it, and then test it again. So those are my 3 quick tips for my feedback forward on PIDP 3330. I hope that helps.